Move over, Jeep Wrangler, the born-again Bronco is here. Heading to the USA in early 2021, the hardcore mud plugger is available in 2-door and 4-door body styles, and they're best described as excitement machines. I mean, just look at them. They've got removable doors and roof panels, massive wheels, mega suspension. Just like the Jeep Wrangler. The design is pretty cool, blending some of the classic Ford Bronco elements from the mid-1960s with blocky but appealing visuals. There's around 200 official accessories for owners to customize their vehicles too. Rugged wheel arch extensions cover massive 35-inch tyres on 17-inch beadlock wheels, and it's clear the new 4x4 has serious ground clearance for tackling the rough stuff, a whopping 295 millimeters. The top spec off-road model is called the Bronco Badlands, which brings a heavy-duty 4x4 driveline with locking differentials front and rear and Bilstein shock absorbers. If you're looking for something a little less intense, there's always the Bronco Sport SUV, which is kind of like a Toyota RAV4. It's more designed for the urban jungle, but still has a certain level of off-road ability. Back to the big Bronco, and it comes with a rugged 4x4 system complete with low-range transfer case to tackle challenging terrain. Like the Ford Ranger, upon which the big Broncos are based, the off-roader can be switched between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive at the twist of a dial. Power, there's plenty. The base engine is a turbo 4-cylinder unit borrowed from the Mustang sports car and will deliver enough thrust for most situations. Of course, if you want more grunt, there's a twin-turbo V6 that generates stump-pulling torque. But if you're looking for a diesel engine, you're out of luck, although a hybrid powertrain is likely to arrive eventually. Both petrol engines are offered with a 10-speed automatic gearbox, and traditionalists will appreciate a 7-speed manual gearbox on the 4-cylinder models. Ford has done a great job with the interior, blending modern design cues with practical features. There's loads of grab handles, removable panels and windows galore, and even a built-in device rack so you can easily attach a GoPro, GPS or smartphone. While there's impressive attention to detail in the cabin, it's also fit for purpose, with marine-grade vinyl upholstery on the seats and even active and passive drain plugs in the rubberized floor. This is backed up by all the tech you could want, including wireless phone charging, a classy multifunction steering wheel, and a digital instrument display. It's all capped off with a massive 12-inch touchscreen powered by Ford's latest infotainment operating system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built in. And it even includes preloaded trail maps and off-road tracking systems. Ford has fired a powerful new shot in the form of the reborn Bronco, arguably one of the biggest new car reveals in recent memory. Unfortunately, the new Ford Bronco has not been greenlit for Australia yet. That said, the Ford Australia's CEO told carsales the new four-wheel drive could be sold here in future.